In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new audience in Mailchimp. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's get started. First things first, grab your computer and open up your web browser. We're going to head over to Mailchimp's website. Once you're there, log into your account. This is your gateway to all the email marketing tools you need to effectively reach your audience. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the Mailchimp dashboard. From here, look to the left side menu bar. You'll see various options, but for now, we want to focus on audience. Go ahead and click on that. This is where all your contacts will be managed and organized. Now that you're in the audience section, you'll notice a button labeled Add Contacts located towards the top of the page. Click on that. This is where the magic begins. You'll have the option to bring in your contacts in different ways, depending on your needs. If you have a list of contacts ready, the best method to choose is Import Contacts. This option allows you to upload a CSV file directly, which is perfect for bulk uploads. If you have your contact list handy, you can also copy and paste directly from a document into Mailchimp, provided you only copy the column with the email addresses. This option makes it super convenient. Once you select that, Mailchimp will guide you through the process. You will need to align the fields from your list with Mailchimp's required fields, like first name, last name, and of course, the email addresses. Just follow the prompts on your screen. It's really straightforward, and Mailchimp does a great job of walking you through each step. Now, what if you only have one or two people to add? No worries. That's where the Add a Single Contact option comes in. Click on that, and you can manually enter the details. You'll fill in the basic information like their name and email address. After entering the necessary information, don't forget to hit Save so that those contacts are successfully added to your audience list. And that's it! You've just created a new audience and added contacts. It's an incredibly simple process, but vital for your email marketing efforts. These steps will help you keep your contacts organized and segmented, making your future campaigns much more effective. If you follow these instructions step by step, you should have no issue creating your audience within Mailchimp. Once you have your audience in place, you can start designing your email campaigns and reaching out to your customers effectively. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you could give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.